Contractors are driving piling, placing concrete, and excavating material at locations across the span of the FM Area Diversion project's footprint. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with this month's construction update. North and west of the FM Metro, significant work is underway at the Maple River Aqueduct, one of two heated aqueducts that will route rivers over the stormwater diversion channel. At the aqueduct's flume and conduit structure, crews have continued forming and placing portions of the required 10,000 cubic yards of concrete, including the structure's west abutment, the walkway atop the south flume wall, and its adjacent wing walls. Also at the site, ASN constructors began driving sheet piles for the aqueduct spillway, which during flood events will divert excess flow into the stormwater diversion channel, thereby regulating flows across the aqueduct flume and into the metro area. Nearby, work is progressing on the Raymond Township Section 27 drain inlet. Here we can see concrete pipes have been installed and are now getting backfilled. Work will continue with construction of concrete headwalls at both the up and downstream ends of the inlet, one of 15 river and drain inlets to be constructed as part of the stormwater diversion channel. Northwest of Harwood, North Dakota, in Reach 3 of the diversion channel, ASN Constructors is excavating another plug, or earthen channel obstruction. The new County Road 32 crossings opening to traffic late last year makes way for removal of existing County Road 32 and for excavation of the diversion channel itself. Once completed, excavation in this area will connect completed channel segments both up and downstream. Speaking of downstream, just downstream from County Road 32, work has now resumed at the I-29 crossings, where Industrial Builders, a subcontractor for ASN Constructors, has begun forming the new northbound bridge deck. Geofoam, a lightweight fill material, has arrived and will be installed in the coming weeks where the roadway approaches meet the bridge ends to mitigate differential settlement. Work also continues nearby at the BNSF Hillsboro Subdivision Rail Line and County Road 81 crossings, where this month crews have completed driving HPAL foundations and are continuing construction of bridge abutments and piers. With the placement of the third and final radial arm gate at the Red River structure this month, all 8 control structure gates are now in place, marking a major milestone. The Corps of Engineers contractor also continues to work on driving piling as well as placing concrete on portions of the structure's upstream apron and flood walls extending east and west. Our drone view also captures false work and decking now underway at spans 1 and 2 of both the mechanical platform and vehicle service bridges atop the control structure. For more updates and to meet people working on the FM Area Diversion Project, subscribe to our newsletter, The Diversion Current.